The bottling of alcoholic beverage is a great idea established in 2001. This great idea consists in the bottling of a spirits beverage in single doses to any type of alcoholic beverage and permit consumption in any moment, place, and circumstance. It's characterized to be conformed with a plastic envelope of small dimensions with a perimeter zipper for thermosealing and an opening by thorn to facilitate the emptying of the content. The purpose of the bottling of alcoholic beverage is that the consumer can take it anywhere and any moment in their pocket. Pocket Spirits is light, practical, flexible, and always has the same content, and also with his principal characteristic to be not tamperable with its total seal. This plastic envelope with a special characteristic doesn't change the taste, texture, and fragrance, as it's formed with different polymeters of the highest quality standards. The bottling of alcoholic beverage, Pocket Spirits is perfect for airlines, hotels, stadiums, and so many places without the risk of breaking or being used as a weapon or projectile. With the bottling of Pocket Spirits single doses, you can save space, weight, in transport and storage. That is equivalent a big percentage of its costs. Pocket Spirits without its benefits will be not just the best choice, it will be the only one, because we live in a globalized world and we have to streamline our company to be more productive and be at the forefront in the international market. Pocket Spirits offers the best opportunity to your company to benefit and increase yourselves, facilitating tastings, advertising campaigns, competitive price, and with the great advantage that the product can be adulterated and reach the customer with quality, flavor, and prestige of the product that the customer already knows. Pocket Spirits is the only alternative that your company has to make the difference among the others. It's the best option registered by INPI, Mexican Institution of Industrial Property, since 2002, and also registered in US by USPTO, United States Patent and Trademark Office. Pocket Spirits is and will be the best option.